Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video, I will be teaching you how to use the ROBLOX Account Manager. So what you want to do first is to go on this GitHub site and scroll down a little bit and download this file. And once that's done, just save it, go to your downloads folder, and you want to extract this file. Open that folder, you'll be greeted with the application and just run that application. Double click it. Here you can just press the password locked because it was recommended, and just include your password in it. Go continue and then confirm that password with the same line text. There you go. Now you have the ROBLOX Account Manager here, and what you want to do with this is just you will be able to use different accounts in this application. And now next, if for example, if I go to my Roblox here and try to play this game right here, the strongest battlegrounds, you want to go here, this line of text right here, this line of numbers, you want to copy that, then go to your account manager and then just paste that in there, and then include your account right here when you log into Roblox, and your account will be automatically right here in this box. So yeah, that's it guys, and thank you for watching. Hope that helps.